the moment, asking more than quiet thought or careful pause. Voices wait for steady lead, for action shaped by what they need. You rise and speak with purpose clear, no wasted words, no room for fear. What you offer moves the ground, stability forms all around. Hands open, path made wide, give with heart and act on time. When resources flow with care, trust is built because you dare. Leadership shows what's true, when what you do serves more than you. When what you do serves more than you. Decisions land where hope has thinned. Direction brings the whole back in. What was scattered finds its place through generosity and grace. You do not hold, you do not hoard, you let support move forward. Unity grows where action stands, strong and guided by your hand. Hands open, path made wide, give with heart and act on time. When resources flow with care, trust is built because you dare. Leadership shows what's true, when what you do serves more than you. When what you do serves more than you. Power settles when it's shared, strength is shown in how you care. When command and kindness meet, resolution follows clean. Lead with action, lead with heart. What you give restores the part.